So what's up, y'all? It's your boy. One correction I want to make from yesterday's video. The time I flicked the teacher off was not in 6th grade. It was in 7th. And yeah, what y'all been up to? Hope y'all been having a good day. And yeah. So now, story time. I want to give is, what do you think? So, what do you think? Yeah. Oh, I think either 7th grade or 6th. I think back on my dad. 7th. I accidentally brought a pocket knife to school in 6th grade. And y'all know how that went. Suspended for. Alright, so let me give y'all a little feedback on it. So I forgot I had it in my pants pocket. I wore the same pants that I wore Sunday. So this was on a Monday. And I honestly forgot. It was in my pocket. And I was walking to school. I got to school and some kids saw it because it was like, and they had them clips where it clips on into your pocket. So like, it was clipping the nail, and I shoved it down in the nail, and yeah. So some kids, it's all came. I went to the office. It's all was in the office. And he's like, "What's in your pocket? What's in your pocket, Morton?" I'm like, "You more. There ain't nothing in my pocket, bro." And he's like, "Oh, you mind if I search you?" I'm like, so he patted me down. And boom, he pulls out a pocket knife. So I'm like, he's like, "What is this?" I'm like, "A pocket knife." And it's just a principle. Miss Miller said, why did it bring a pocket knife? I'm like, I forgot it was in my pocket, honestly. And they were like, and she's like, this is a zero tolerance, and I'm gonna have to suspend you for a week, 2 weeks, actually. And then when you get back, give you a week ISS. No, 2 weeks ISS, 2 weeks OSS, 2 weeks ISS. So yeah, and that's my story time of when I accidentally bought a pocket knife. That's cool. But man, and like I got suspended twice in 7th grade. Second time I went to alternative. No, 8th grade I went to alternative. Yeah, 8th grade I went to alternative. The second time I got suspended in 7th grade. I just went suspended. And But no. So 8th grade. This is one story thing I'll tell you about 8th grade. Since I'm on the subject of getting suspended. But no. Like in 8th grade, I got in this altercation with a few other students and teachers. And like the same kid I usually get an invite with in middle school. And another one. Wait, no, the same. And then something to the teacher said, like, not like, oh, I know what I did. So like back then, like, I accidentally seriously blocked, what was it? Like, this is the time I used to, a little, like 6, I had that in my pocket. I'm dumb enough. I mean, no, I didn't have that in my pocket. What did I have? Oh, I bought another knife. My dumb ass didn't at long. But I got in that fight, and they searched me too, because I think that my phone was in my pocket. Wait, no, my phone was in my backpack. No, I don't know. I don't remember where my phone was. Mind you, this was like 8th grade, so I had like the 5S. So, this was 2015, by the way. And so I got OSS, out of school suspension, a week in alternative. But both of these times I got suspended, there was the next day of like a few days later, a Friday night football game. And you're not allowed to go when you're suspended. I snuck in, watched the game, and I got caught, and I got no extra later time, extra access for when I got back from suspension. But now, y'all, hopefully y'all like my videos, and hopefully some of y'all who are still in school don't make my mistakes, and yeah, load out.